Given that the area is 81 pi feet squared, solve for the radius, the diameter, and the circumference. So all of these measurements have something in common, and it is the radius. So we want to look at each of their individual formulas. So our diameter is simply equal to 2 times the radius. The circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. And the area is equal to pi r squared. So we're going to take what we know. The area is 81 pi feet squared. We're going to set it equal to our general formula in order to solve for radius, and then we can fill in the missing pieces. So we know that the area is equal to pi r squared, which is equal to 81 pi feet squared. And then we're just going to solve for the radius. So if we divide both sides by pi, then my pi's are going to cancel. Pi divided by pi is 1. Pi divided by pi is 1. And I'm left with the radius squared is equal to 81 feet squared. Now, in order to isolate the variable, I'm interested in r, not r squared. So the inverse operation of squaring something is to take the square root. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And because this is a length, I'm only interested in the positive, not the negative. So the square root of r squared is going to be r, or the radius. The square root of 81 is 9. And the square root of feet squared is simply feet. So my radius is 9 feet. So I can fill that in here at the top. 9 feet. Then my diameter is simply double that, 2 times the radius. Therefore, the diameter would be 18 feet. And then the circumference is just 2 times the radius times pi, or the diameter times pi. So that is also going to be 18, but it's going to be 18 pi feet. And we're done.